Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the security. Here let's choose more settings, and as you can see here we've got install apps from external sources, so let's enter. Here we've got the full list of apps which are not allowed to install anything, and if you want to change it, just tap on the app you want to allow to install and tap on the switcher. Let's get back. As you can see, it is notified here, so from now on this app is allowed to install some content. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, tap on the switcher again, and as you can see from now on this app is not allowed to install anything. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.